Shenzhen RJC Industrial Company Limited was established in 2014 and located in Shenzhen, China, as a professional manufacturer who is engaged in engineering service and technical manufacturing, such as rapid prototyping, CNC machining, plastic mold manufacturing, and plastic injection molding. And now RJC owns an independent industrial area of over 6,600 square meters and will continue to expand. All experienced engineers, masters, and technicians are committed to providing thoughtful service and strict quality control of production. The CNC machining workshop has more than 80 machines. Not only is the number of equipment in the workshop huge, but also the machining accuracy can reach 10 micrometers. The injection molding workshop has over 30 machines from 80 tons to 650 tons. Besides, RJC has an excellent team focused on technical sales service, engineering process development, program management, production management, and quality control management. In the meantime, RJC has passed the qualification of ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 13485, which enables us to serve customers in dedicated industries. The value of RJC is rapid, joyful, creative. The vision is to become a leader in the field of custom manufacturing. RJC's service has been widely praised in the US and Europe. Whether seeking OEM services or engineering support for applications, customers can discuss the procurement needs or new ideas with the technical service team.